Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in this video I'll be showing how I was able to take my sales on 25 index. As you all can see on the 4-hour time frame, the market approached a level, a very strong resistance level. Let me go to the higher time frame to have a bigger picture. As you all can see on the daily time frame, we can see price reacting to this level. So you can see price reacting to these levels. These levels, like you can see multiple reactions on those levels. Even at this point, price also reacted here. At this point, price reacted here, and it also did the same thing here. So I went to and we can see price approach this level on the daily time frame. So I just went to the 4-hour time frame and saw the market structure. You can see we had this uptrend channel. We had price giving us these formations, these higher lows and higher highs. You can see price giving us this, but it was moving in a corrective way. You can see the choppy way, like kind of corrective approach to this level. You can see. So when price got to this point, it approached a key level of resistance, which I was able to identify with this tool. Yeah, I spotted the level of resistance. So I went to the so on the 4-hour time frame, you can see, let me delete all these things. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can see price had the formation, a kind of a head and shoulders pattern formation. You can see this shoulder. This is the left shoulder basically, and this is the head formation created a fake out at this point. So when it created a fake out at this point, price now came back to this level, this resistance level, but failed to close above this high, failed to close above this particular high, the highest high of the market. So price failed to close above it or get to that point, but price just stopped at this recent level. Price just stopped at this particular level. And it was the same level at which price reacted to. So price faked out a move at this point. There was a fake out move at this point. So you can see the strong bearish push of the market. Price pushed up, pushed down strongly with strong bearish engulfing candles. Only 3 candles occupied, like covered this long move. So we had this bearish push downwards. So to show you that yes, the bulls are exhausting this buying pressure and the bears are getting into the market. So we can see price coming back to retest this our level at this point. You can see price coming back to retest this particular point. So I identified it with these two. I used these two to identify our mini resistance level at this point. You can see price reacting to this point too. Just made use of key levels, nothing more. I just made use of key levels and price reactions. You can see price reacting to this particular level. The same thing here. Let me change the color of this too, so it can be different. So let's make it red. Okay, you can see price reacting to this level. The same thing here. Yeah, you can see price reacting to this level. Did the same thing here at this point, and our expectations will be like, since we got a fake out at this point, like price failed to reject at this particular area but faked out with this bullish engulfing candle, then the next candle that formed was a bearish engulfing candle. It's trying to give us some it's trying to inform us on something, like give us an information on a particular thing. So as price give us this double top, you can see these equal highs at this point. We need to identify the equal highs. These equal highs at this point, you had price giving us these equal highs at this point. So how price give us equal at this point. So I waited for price to give us a retest of this level. Wait for price to give us a retest of this level, which price gave us with multiple candlestick rejections. So I got my sales with my stop loss above this last week. You can see this last bearish engulfing candle week. I placed my stop loss above it and had my entries at this point. You can see price is still dropping hard. So my area of target, that was just how I was able to get into this trade. No, just with key levels and market price action. Yeah, so this trade, my target to be at this point, our next level of support, which is here on the 1 hour time frame. That's my level of target. So my next TP, that's our first TP basically. So let's zoom out. So on the 4 hour time frame, we're having our second TP at this point. Yeah, let me adjust this. We're having our second TP at this point. So but right now I'll be closing some positions and securing the trade by moving my stop loss to my entry, then holding the rest of the trades to run up to our profit target. So that's how I was able to get into these sells. I was able to get this sell trade, guys. So hope you'll be able to pick one or two things and apply it on your own your own market approach or your own strategy, whichever way you trade or you approach the market. Hope you're able to pick some information or some basic things here. There's nothing the right market approach and timing, and always manage your risk, which is the most vital thing in trading, like risk management. Know how much you're willing to risk on a particular trade and know how much you're willing to make on the trade. So that's it, guys. So at this point, we'll be closing out some positions and holding the rest of the trade to run up. So thank you guys for watching. My returning viewers, I really appreciate you guys. My new viewers, like, that are yet to subscribe, please do it to subscribe. And that's it, guys.